For this assignment, you are going to read the introduction in a book called Opinions About Driverless Cars. All right, so it's just 4 pages introducing driverless cars. And then next week, you'll read a chapter about the benefits, and the following week, you'll read a chapter about the sort of negative sides of it. Because there's pros and cons, there's goods and bads. So that's what we're going to look at. After you read the introduction, your comment will be writing your own opinion before you read the chapter 1 and 2. Should driverless cars be allowed on the road? Why or why not? Write in complete sentences. Make sure to explain your answer. And if you're not sure, say that. Say, I'm not sure, I think maybe yes, but I wonder about this, or I don't think so, and here's why not, but I want to learn more, or something. It's okay to not have a fully developed opinion, but after reading the introduction, what's sort of your gut instinct telling you? And then it'll be interesting to see once you read those 2 chapters if your opinion changes or not. All right? The link takes you to the book. So that's chapter 1. You're not reading that. You're just reading the introduction, those 4 pages. All right. Notice that these play arrows you can use to listen to the story if you don't want to read it. That is totally fine. And as always, if you have any questions, if you want to talk about it, you have any wonderings, let me know, and I'm more than happy to help you with your assignment. Good luck.